All right, thank you so much. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Sichamba Jacob, and also to my Facebook page. This is Sichamba Jacob. Okay, so I've got this question on similarity and congruence. So, how do we answer a question like this? Let's read the question. The base area of two containers that are geometrically similar are 80 centimeters squared and 180 centimeters squared, respectively. So when they say respectively, meaning this one is for the smaller one, this one is for the bigger container. Okay. If the capacity of the larger container is um, 54 liters, calculate the capacity of the smaller one. So let's gather our data here. We're going to say, uh, so here we're going to say smaller. Okay, and this side we're going to say bigger or larger. So I've got two containers. So of course, if you see 80 centimeters as the area of the base, this one will go for smaller. So smaller is 80 centimeter squared. For larger there, it's 180 centimeters squared. Now, looking at this, we can also include the capacity. So for the larger one, it's 54 liters. This one we've been given here, they have said the larger container is 54. The capacity of the larger container is 54. For the smaller one is what we are looking for. We have not been given, so we'll say it's X. So here we are going to get or to find the ratio factor using this what you've been given the area. So we're going to say uh, 80 over 180, or if you want you can say 80 to 180. Okay, so we're using the areas to find the ratio factor. This is a ratio and this is a ratio. What is here is the same as what is here. So here you can reduce 0 and 0 will cancel. 2 into 8, it's a 4. 2 into 18, it's a 9. So meaning our ratio has been reduced to 4 to 9, or 4 to 9, like that. Okay. So whichever, if you want, you can move with these steps. If you want, you can move with these steps. That's why I'm putting O. So now, from this stage, we now square root. Okay. If you want, you can square root this one on its own, and this one also. So here we are getting a 2 over a 3. So this is our scale, ratio scale, okay, factor or ratio factor, okay. So here we shall say 2 to 3. If you want, I'm reminding you, if you want, you can move with these steps or these steps. It's just the same. So now maybe the question may be, why did I square root here? And this is the reason. So let me put up something here to guide you. If let's say you've been told to find the volume or the area, they have given you maybe the height of the container. Maybe they've said it's 3 for the smaller one, and then for the bigger one, maybe it's 5. And they say find the area. They have given you maybe area of a smaller here. Let me do this. Maybe they have given you area of a smaller container, maybe to be equal to 40. So the area of the smaller container is 40. So how do you find the area of the bigger container? Since they have given you this, the heights, so you find the ratio factor. Okay, this is a ratio factor, and then being the heights, and we want to find the volume, the area, we square, we raise each height to power 2, such that this will be 9 to 25. And then you come and say 40. Here, what you are looking for, you put x such that you cross multiply and get 9x is equal to 40 times 25 there. You see, I think you remember this step. Okay, I think you remember this step. This is what you do. If it's volume, you put power 3 here, power 3 here. Now, in this question, we've been given the areas. So we do the opposite. Instead of squaring um, instead of squaring or putting the power 3 there, you find the square root because it's areas. If they gave us volumes, if these were volumes, we would have used the power 3. Okay, we would have used the sorry, we would have used the cube root. Okay, so that's it. I guess this makes sense to you. If it doesn't make sense, keep on following. You will understand. All right, so now here, this is where now we say we use this ratio factor. We're going to say 2, we know that it's for the smaller one. It came from 80. 2 will move with the x because it came from 80, and for the liters, we don't know the capacity, so we'll say x. While 3 will move with what we know there, that's 54. Okay, so the next step here will be just to cross multiply. So we shall have 3x is equal to 2 times 54. Okay, so that's 3 times x is 3x, 2 times 54, it's right here. So we have 3x is equal to 108. When you multiply this, we'll get a 108. So we divide by 3, x and x will cancel. I mean, 3 and 3 will cancel. So we shall remain with our solution x to be equal to 36 liters. So the capacity of the smaller container is 36 liters because 3 into 3, 1 into 108 is 36. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to follow me on my Facebook page, subscribe to my YouTube channel. This has been Sichamba Jacob. Bye-bye.